Hello friends, our today's activity is still life, multiple view. So today we are going to draw a still life or an object drawing. You can place any object of your choice on your desk and sketch it on the drawing sheet. Now I have divided the drawing sheet in two halves. I have drawn a line in the center and I have divided my drawing sheet in two equal halves. On the left hand side, I am going to sketch a big figure or a big object. So let's begin. You can take any object of your choice. Now before I started the activity, you can see the title is Still Life, Multiple View. Now this is our still life. We have drawn the object. But what is multiple view? So multiple view means that suppose if you are seeing an object, you have to select a different view with a different angle. Say suppose I am selecting only this much part of the object. So what I'll do is I will just sketch a close-up of this much part on the other side of my drawing sheet. Or if I'm seeing a top profile or how the object is looking from the top. So what we can do is we can divide this other side in 4 to 6 parts and we can draw the detailed sketch. Now suppose if I am seeing this side profile from here, the nozzle part, then even just the neck, then a view from the bottom. So I am going to sketch the detailed view of that object. So it is a multiple view at different angles how I am seeing the object. So I am simply drawing the outline with a sketch pen. There is little bit of water. There is a straw inside, so I am sketching it, but I am not drawing prominent lines, just showing a hint because it is very difficult to see through a plastic. This is a semi-transparent plastic. So this is the multiple view of the same object that we have sketched. I have kept my object on the left hand side very plain, whereas in these views I have used pencil to shade slightly. See, this is the same object that we drew, only in a smaller size. Now when I say multiple view, so see I have zoomed this part, I have zoomed this part and I have just sketched at this angle. Then this angle you can see from behind. I have turned my bottle and I have drawn a detailed view of this part. Then this is the front part which you can see. See, this is this same handle, the bottle and the nozzle view. This is a view from the top. When you're seeing the bottle from the top, you can see it as a circle and this is the upper part. So this is this part and this is a bottom view. So from the base, if you are turning this bottle upside down, then you will be able to see it like this. So my still life with multiple view activity is now ready.